For the interior of this 2015 MACK, your driver's seat is an air ride seat. You have power locks, windows, as well as your mirrors right here. You have working air conditioning as well as heat, a working MACK radio. This truck has 494,000 miles on it. Your tilt-in telescope is right here to the left of the clutch. Very nice interior, it is very clean. Your horn's right up here to the left. Very nice. CB radio right up here. All your switches, and PTO and differentiator lock and suspension air dump. For more information, photos, and videos, you can go to our website at aaatrucksales.com.